ones you tell your troubles to, that don't really care for you. Come and tell me what you're thinking, 'cause just when the boat is sinking, a little light is blinking, and I will come and rescue you. Lots of girls walk around in tears, but that's not for you. You've been looking all around for years for someone to tell your troubles to. Come and sit with me and talk a while. Let me see your pretty little smile. Put your troubles in a little pile, and I will sort them out for you.
What's the deal with my brain? Why am I so obviously insane? In a perfect situation, I let love down the drain. There's the pitch, slow and straight. All I have to do is swing and I'm a hero. And I'm a zero. Hungry nights, once again. Now it's getting unbelievable. 'Cause I could not have it better, but I just can't get no place. Get your hands off the girl. Can't you see that she belongs to me? And I don't appreciate this excess company. No, I can't satisfy all the needs she has, and so she starts to wonder. Can you blame her? Singing tell me there's a logic out there leading me to better prepare. Maybe there's something really special might come. Tell me there's a hope for me. I don't wanna be lonely for the rest of my days on the singing singing
Punch! Yeah!